Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to have no profile picture on your Facebook account and you want to know how can you delete your current profile picture in Facebook mobile, so basically you want to go back to the original profile picture that you start with that looks like this anonymous icon right here, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. Now since we're going to be using the Facebook app in this video, let's head out to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Find Facebook from there by searching for it, and then make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that you can quit the store. Now let's head out to Facebook, so open the app and of course make sure you're logged into your account. Then you need to open your profile. You can do that by tapping here in the top right corner on these three lines to go to the menu and tap on your name at the top to open your profile, or you can just go back to the main screen of your app and tap on this profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Anyways, once you open your profile, just go ahead and tap on the profile picture right here. It won't open yet. We have this menu in the bottom that has some options. You can do a lot of things from here, but you cannot delete it yet from this menu. What you need to do is to tap on See Profile Picture at the very top right here. So from here, I'm gonna open my profile picture, and then to delete it, I need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner right here. So basically from here, I'm gonna go ahead and delete the picture the same way I delete any post on Facebook. So from here, just tap on Delete Photo right here. Once you tap there, you need to confirm, so tap on Delete again. And once you tap on Delete, the profile picture will be deleted from your account, just like that, as you can see, guys. If you want to add another one, just tap on this picture right here and you can add another one from your device. And that is basically how can you delete your profile picture on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.